Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Sucheta. Today I am going to show you Ramnavami special 4 different recipes, that is moong dal kosambari, jaggery panaka or jaggery juice, muskmelon juice and masala buttermilk. All these recipes are very healthy for this summer. Watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for Ram Navami special, I am preparing 4 recipes today. First one is moong dal kosambari. For that I have taken a grated carrot. Today I have used one grated carrot. For that I am adding soaked moong dal. We have to soak this moong dal for at least 1 hour. Now I am adding chopped cucumber, one chopped green chili, coriander, once I will mix this. Very healthy for summer season and it's very colorful also. Now I am adding freshly grated coconut, fresh lime juice, salt for taste. Now I will mix this. Now you can see very colorful, very healthy moong dal kosambari is ready. Now I will transfer this to serving bowl. You can prepare it for afternoon lunch or night dinner also. Now moong dal kosambari is ready. Now I am preparing Ram Navami special drink and it's also very healthy for summer, that is jaggery panaka or jaggery drink. For that I have taken a few jaggeries. Just I am crushing it so that it will dissolve easily in water. I am transferring it to a bowl. Now I am adding water. We need to dissolve this jaggery in water. Now here you can see this is dry ginger. We will get it in all the shops. Now I am going to crush this. I am going to take powder of this dry ginger. Along with that I am going to crush and make the powder of this cardamom also. Along with cardamom I am crushing dry ginger also. It will give extra fragrance to our panaka juice. Now I am adding the powder of cardamom and dry ginger to this mixture of jaggery and water. We can press it with spoon like this so that jaggery will dissolve. Now here jaggery is dissolved in water. Now I am adding little salt for taste and lime juice. This is also for taste. Now I will mix this. It will give the taste as same as sugarcane juice. Now jaggery panaka or jaggery juice is ready. Now I am going to transfer it to serving glass. While straining only, I am transferring it to serving glass. You can see jaggery panaka is ready. And third recipe today I am preparing is muskmelon juice. For this I have taken half muskmelon. I have peeled the skin and now I am going to cut it into pieces. After cutting it into pieces, I am transferring into mixer jar. Now I am adding sugar. Add sugar as per taste. One pinch of salt. This is also for taste. Now I am going to grind this. After grinding, it looks like this. You can adjust the consistency by adding water. Now I am adding few drops of lemon. It will give an extra good taste. Now muskmelon juice is ready. Now I am going to transfer it into serving glass. Now fourth recipe, that is Ramanavami special recipe which I am preparing today, is masala buttermilk. For that I have taken mixer jar. I am adding around 1 spoon of jeera, very little pepper, and 1 inch of ginger, 1 green chilli, and few coriander. Now I will add little salt and then I will grind this. After grinding, it looks like this. For this I am going to add curd. Today I am using homemade curd. I am adding curd to mixer jar. After adding curd, I will add little water and then once again I am going to blend this. Now you can see masala buttermilk is ready. I will transfer it to serving glass. Now I am transferring prepared masala buttermilk to serving glass. Now Ramanavami special 4 recipes are ready. For Ramanavami I have prepared moong dal kosambari, jaggery panaka or jaggery juice, muskmelon juice, and masala buttermilk. All these recipes are very healthy and very good for our health. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.